Welcome. In this demonstration, we are going to install PHP and MySQL server on Google Cloud Linux instance. We have an updated Linux instance available and we will proceed to installation of PHP. To install, we are going to use sudo to run as a super user. We are going to use apt-get install and we are going to install PHP 5. We are going to install MySQL server. We are going to install PHP 5 MySQL packages and we are going to install PHP 5 peer. These packages will be installed. We have to update the package PHP 5 peer to PHP peer. And now you can see that around 168 MB of packages will be installed. So we'll say yes. Now we are proceeding to installation of PHP MySQL server on our Linux instance. Once MySQL server will be installed, here we can set new password for our MySQL root account. I'm going to set the account password as ABCDE12345. This is my sample password. Let's set that again, ABCDE12345. So this is the password for my SQL account. Once MySQL and PHP are installed, we will be able to create and deploy applications on the server, and we will be able to access the application using web browser. All the modules will be installed and will be enabled. So now we have access to PHP and MySQL installation. Before proceeding further, we want to restart our Apache server and MySQL server so that we can design our application and deploy it on this Linux instance. To stop Apache services, we can execute sudo service apache to stop. Once the service is stopped, we can start the service again. Once the service is started, now we can access the browser. We can go to our Linux instance and we can click on the IP address of our BVP cloud, which will point to the default page of the Linux instance. So this means our Apache server is running. We'll go to Linux instance and we are going to stop our MySQL service. Sudo service MySQL stop, and we are going to restart our MySQL services again. Once we have restarted MySQL services, we can also install MySQL packages for PHP MySQLi support. To do this, we can proceed to sudo apt-get install. We can execute PHP 5 MySQL ND. We can install the packages here. Around 264 KB of additional disk space will be taken. So now we have got new improved version of MySQL and PHP connectivity installed. So we will be able to use MySQL improved extensions in the code. Development of the application will be done in the next part. Thank you for watching.